In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to add or edit brands. So to do this, we'll want to be logged in and on the dashboard page. Simply come in here to the products page. And from here, we'll want to go ahead and select a product. So for this example, maybe we want to add a brand for Lambo OG. And we can see here that one of these brands doesn't seem to apply to this product. So we can go ahead and select on add new brand right here. And maybe this is part of the Lambo brand. So we can go ahead and type in the brand name and select on add. And just like that, we added now a new brand. So we can go ahead either submit or preview or draft this product, and we can actually see it here on the brands page. So if we go ahead and open up brands, we could see here underneath L we have the Lambo brand. However, we can see here that it doesn't have an image kind of like these other ones. So to add that image, what we'll do here is at the top bar, go ahead where it says ghdelivery.com / we'll want to put in wp-admin, just like it is right here. So we'll go ahead and put in that same address there. I'm not sure if you guys could see that address. So from the WordPress admin dashboard, we'll want to go ahead and select from products and then go to brands. And from brands right here, we can go ahead and see the Lambo brand. So we'll go ahead and select on the Lambo, and here we can actually add a thumbnail for this brand. So say this was here the Lambo brand, we can go ahead and add the image for it and select on update. Now when we go ahead and view the platform here and we go down to brands, we can actually see now Lambo brand has the image there for that brand. So very easy, very straightforward on how to add brands, how to add the image. You can also add brands from back here in the back end of this page here by typing in the name and uploading an image here as well. Whichever you feel is easier or more straightforward to do, go ahead and feel free to do it that way. And also you can come in here and simply delete these brands as well, just like that.